Welcome to this video explaining how to create a non-audited rates form in ECOS, the ESA costing software designed to help you prepare your price proposals in detail for an ESA tender. A rates form contains your unit rates for different types of costs and once assigned to your price proposal is used to calculate your total price. There are two types of rates forms. First, the ESA audited rates forms, which are saved in ESA Star Astra, the ESA Industrial Audits portal, and second, the non-audited rates forms, which are created and saved directly in ECOS. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating, completing, finalizing, and duplicating a non-audited rates form in ECOS. To start, click on Non-Audited Rates Forms, then select Create New Rates Form. In the pop-up window, complete the following fields. Reference year, used to set economic conditions and to calculate your provision for escalation for all years other than this reference year. Reference, the title you wish to give the rates form. Audit authority, used if this form has been audited by another authority. Then click on Save. Your new rates form will open, and you can now complete the different cost categories: labor, internal special facilities, and other direct costs. To complete the labor section, enter the following details: code, title, productive hours per person year, basic hourly rate, overhead rate. The gross hourly rate and person year cost are calculated automatically. Add a new line for each labor rate. Once complete, click on Save. To complete your rates form, you will now need to fill in internal special facilities information in the same way as the labor section. The gross unit rate is calculated automatically. Once all lines are complete, click on Save. Next, as a third step, please fill in the other direct costs. Other direct costs includes 4 subcategories: materials and parts, external services, miscellaneous, travel, and subsistence. For each, enter entity internal references, if needed, basic overhead percentage, overhead rate. The procurement overhead percentage is calculated automatically as the overhead rate applied to the basic overhead and basic cost. Once all entries are complete, click on Save. To finalize your rates form and make it available for use in your price proposal, change its status from Draft to Final. Click on the pencil, select Final, and then click on Save. Once a form has the final status, it cannot be edited. To make changes, you need to create a new one by duplicating it. To duplicate an existing rates form, click on the 3 dots next to its name and select Duplicate. A new editable version will be created. During this video, we have explored how to create, complete, and finalize a non-audited rates form in ECOS. For further information, please refer to the manuals and other videos available by clicking on Help on the ECOS homepage. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.